guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going into Roblox Adopt Me, and I'm going to be actually doing the coolest thing, but you guys can find me on coolplay77777 if you would like to follow me and join my games. I play every day most of the time. I may not be playing New Year's nights every year because of today's New Year's Eve, so I just wanted to do it before I play. So let's play Adopt Me. I'm gonna press play. Boop. We are going to be I'm going to be showing you guys how to do I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a neon pet. I've never done it. I don't know anyone who has done it except for other YouTubers. So I just know how, even though I've never tried. But you guys are going to learn so well. It will be a bit long because I just want you guys to learn how to do it and without you guys struggling.
Did I really just forget that melody?
Haha, I forgot that I play this on my in my house. I already came in today just to set some things up and to finish making my pet full grown. So I got 4 full grown cats. I got a whole bunch of 4 pets, like 4 wolves. I already have a neon, but that's someone who traded me. I got 4 cats, and these are the ones that they're full grown, so I'm just going to be doing them today. So let's head right on over before we start anything else. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna free up some space just by making it neon, and I'm also working on trying to make another neon pet, which is the wolf, and I think I'm wanting to try to do the robin. Even though they're common, they're still good. I love the robins. They're just so cute, even though they're common. So let's head on over. I'm gonna actually take out one of my pets. I'm gonna take out Kylie. Oh, and make sure all of your pets are about the same name. So I'm just gonna name it. Oopsies. Kylie. And then I'm going to leave it like that. And if I want to change, I can change. Kylie. It's Kylie. If I'm spelling it wrong, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know how to spell Kylie, but I think the cute name is Kylie, and also Starburst. One of mine is named Starburst, and I thought that was a cute name. Kylie, I think there's only one more. Yeah, one more. Starburst. I can change it to Starburst if I want. Every day I can change its name, you know. So you can use all of the names. Kylie, Heart, Lucy, and Starburst. Those are my 4 cats. Now let's get moving. Boop. Exit home. I don't have much money since in one of my last videos I actually I spent a lot of money because I made a house. So you guys can go check that video out if it's posted up yet. It's not posted while I'm videotaping right now, but it will be posted soon. Let's hope it posted right. We're going to actually post it today, the same day we post this one. So there's a secret place called the Neon Cave, and I love it. There's really no gingerbread for me to collect here, so oopsies. I'm still banging into things like I was in the last video. So if you go into the center cage, it's center one close to the playground, you'll see this big door. and I've actually been in it before, but I think I forget. I think it's more like crystals, and then you have to put 4 fully grown pets. I thought it was only 2 fully grown, and then I'm like, oh my god, I thought it was only 2, and then I noticed that it's actually 4. Oh, looks like there's another person. I'm gonna say, should I say hi? Hi. Okay, looks like I'm gonna start first. I wonder what color it's gonna be, because you don't get to pick your color. Pink. I'm gonna do blue next. Let's get you. Kylie. Nice pet. Then I'm gonna do yellow, and then I'm gonna do green. Kylie. And then I'm going to do, oh my god, Kylie. Hey, why is she standing in the middle? That's not your place. A neon! Yeah! Oh my god! It's pink. No. She says I want to trade. No. I'm in a YouTube vid. No. Anyway. Oh my god, she just sent me a trade. Why would I want to trade you? With a YouTube video. No, anyways. Oh, this pet is adorable. So I think she says, OMG, I just made a neon Phoenix Fox. OMG, OMG. Why would you want a neon cat anyway? Because it's cute. So I'm actually going to take out a pet and start growing it. Where's Robin the Robin? I need Robin the Robin. I think I want to trade her. Let's see. I'll trade. I think I can trade her for. I'll just see what she's going to give me for this full grown, and then I'll see, which I probably won't. Okay, she just declined the trade. I do not care, because anyway, I don't really want to trade you. Let's just try again. Try again in 2 seconds. So guys, let's start growing my little tiny bird called Robin the Robin. I named it like that because I thought, you know what? It's going to be cute. This is Robin the Robin, my little Robin. He's a post-teen because I've taken him out. I think he was the first Christmas pet I've ever gotten. So that's why I love him. Oh no, I'm gonna bang into a penguin. Okay, good, yeah. Now I just need to pick up my little Robin. It's so cute. Oh, candy cane. Oh, and also you wanna know one of the best places to see, up there on top of the ice cream place. I'm gonna move backwards. Oh man, I have to look forwards while skating. I don't know how to show you, but on top of the ice cream place and on the toy place. Oh, there's that girl that was was trying to make a neon, but she didn't have full-grown pets. The Wild West person. Okay, I have to move a lot back just to show you this place. What? Should I ask if anyone has a full-grown pet? So, if you want to know if someone has a full something, okay, if you want. What is she trying to trade me? Oh my god, I'm gonna try and trade her the Robin. Aww. Okay, hi. No. Anyway. So let's just... I'm going to end this video after I say this. ABC. If you have a grown pet, meet me at the gift for a pet. Enter. Okay, so did anyone see this? ABC, if you have a full-grown pet, meet me at the gift place for a pet. I may be changing my outfit. Like, I'm gonna have two different winter outfits, so let's make the second one. Stop it, weird guy. Move. I want a YouTube. That's only a junior. I don't... Okay, I'm gonna search for a YouTube shirt because I thought, oh my god. YouTube. Perfect. Oh, she's here. Okay, thank you. Is she going to give me? Okay. She just said ride for ride and left. Oh my god, my screen is frozen. No, it's not. I can't move. Okay, good. So, did anyone say ABC? Has a lot of pets, wants a ride pet. You have a ride pet. You're literally riding it. Okay, so what do you want for this? Do you want Kylie? I'm not no! No. If you want a Robin, I can give you a Robin. But it's not gonna be Robin the Robin, because I have 5. Okay, decline it as much as you want. I don't know what you want from me. Oh my god, why are people surrounding me? Should I like turn off my trades or something? Okay, what does she want? Okay, let's give him... Oh, what the? I'm not gonna take for Chuck a preteen. I'm just gonna give him a normal Robin. What if he actually gives me that? No! I'm just gonna decline this trade. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye. And I really hope you learned from this video. Preteen? Yeah. I'll give you 2 wolves. I promise. So, okay, she just wants something. I just need to find something. Should I give her 2 wolves? And then an extra pet. What should my extra pet? Not caramel. Drake. A Drake. Okay, so no, this is so unfair because uncommon. What do you want, Missy girl? I can give you another. Okay, looks like she declined it. Okay, what are these people wanting? I'm not gonna give them anything. So, still, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later, and I hope you learned some things from this video, because honestly, I didn't do it just to make a neon. I made it for you guys to learn how to make a neon. So, bye!